This is feedback for Oct9 Ajmi. First thing you need to do is format. I told you this in the first essay. All this stuff needs to be changed. It needs to be Times New Roman. It needs to be 12. You got to change that. You need to have a header. You need to have your ID number. If you don't have all these things, your essay is already struggling as it is and is failing already. And if you don't have these things, you're really going to be failing. So, I mean, those are easy things where you can get points. So make sure you have the header. I did a video on it, so watch the video and make those changes. With your intro, instead of saying first reason, say something like, many people believe cigarettes can change their mood. Other people believe that smoking cigarettes is a thing for everyone, is a normal thing, right? Instead of saying first reason, second reason. These are transitions that we use in the body paragraphs, okay? You wrote a thesis here, but it's very confusing. I have no idea what you're writing here, and this is very bad, because if you don't write, if it's not clear, I automatically have to fail you in intro. And you say how people become more or less of diseases and cancer, and they enjoy better health in life. So the major effect of smoking is better health? Is that what you're saying here? It looks like in your essay you were talking about the major effect is cancer in the first paragraph, and then in the second paragraph, heart disease. So, okay, so that should be here. There should be heart disease and cancer. Here in the body paragraph, this is not a topic sentence. You need to change that and make it a topic sentence. Say the first major effect, like right here, the main effect is cancer. That's why I highlighted this in green, because I thought that was a good topic sentence. However, the topic is a little bit small. It's too specific, but still, because you're talking about changing your voice. What does that have to do with cancer? What does yellow teeth have to do with cancer? What does smell have to do with health or cancer? So I think the first time you wrote this about health in the first paragraph. Yeah, you said for bad health. This is a good topic sentence. You should have kept that there, right? And then all these things go with that except for smell. And we advise you that's something that goes in the conclusion. That shouldn't be here. The important bad part is the heart disease. Again, the second major effect of smoking is, diseases or heart disease. Your examples are a little bit not related. Make sure you fix, for example, there's a lot of issues in this essay. You need to give me a concluding sentence here, right? You need to take that thesis and write it backwards. Bad health and diseases are the major effects of smoking. That should be here, and then you go into your advice. I really need you really need to move forward, and I need you to be focusing with me a lot more, because this is showing me that you're not understanding a lot of what I'm saying, and that worries me. That means you need to be closer and make the changes, upload in week 5, and print it out and bring it on Thursday.